If you are constantly breaking out, if you're constantly dealing with acne, today's video is for you. Come forward. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you the step-by-step guide on how you can clear your acne. I use this guide to transform my skin from what it used to look like. This was my skin 2 to 3 years ago, and this is what my skin looks like now. I was able to transform my skin using this guide, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you the steps that I took to get this beautiful transformation. So I urge you to watch this video from start to finish so that you don't miss any vital information. And if you eventually find this video helpful, you know what to do. Please do well to like, subscribe, share. If you have any question, feel free to ask them in the comment section. Now without further ado, let us just quickly jump right into this video. Now, the first step I took was to figure out and treat the root cause of my acne. Now, what was breaking me out? What was the root cause of my acne? Clogged pores due to excess oil production. Now, my skin used to produce an unhealthy amount of oil. My skin was always too greasy. So I knew that the first step I needed to take was to control oil production and then unclog my pores. For oil production, I incorporated niacinamide. Niacinamide is one ingredient that will help to control the amount of oil your skin produces. It will help to maintain a healthy and a balanced oil production. And salicylic acid is an exfoliant that penetrates into your pores and dissolves those oil or sebum that has clogged your pores. So step one is to figure out the reason why you are breaking out, the root cause of your problem, and then you can treat accordingly. Now, the next thing is to focus on your acne treatment first. Please, I will not advise you to treat your acne and your dark spots at the same time. It will make you use too many active ingredients that can end up ruining your skin. So focus on targeting or treating your acne first. And when you no longer have any active breakouts, you can now incorporate your hyperpigmentation products. So for me, my targeted treatment was salicylic acid, which was my main acne treatment. And I also incorporated niacinamide, that was the supporting ingredient. So I focused on using these two ingredients for about 6 weeks to 8 weeks, and I saw tremendous changes. Now, someone else on the other hand might decide to introduce azelaic acid or benzoyl peroxide in their routine. Just focus on using that acne treatment ingredient until you are able to resolve your acne. Now, the next step is to treat your hyperpigmentation when you no longer have any active breakouts. So after about 8 weeks to 12 weeks, my acne was completely under control. I now have to incorporate my hyperpigmentation ingredients. Now, for your hyperpigmentation ingredients, you will need ingredients like niacinamide, vitamin C, alpha-arbutin, kojic acid, your chemical exfoliants, AHAs, BHAs. Your retinoids can also help, azelaic acid, tranexamic acid. All these ingredients can help with your hyperpigmentation. Now, depending on the severity of your dark spots, you can include products that contain cocktail of these ingredients in your routine. Now, for me, as you can see, the dark spots were not really much. They were not really very severe. So what helped me was one ingredient, kojic sand lightening soap. See, this is why I vouch for that soap a lot when it comes to fading dark spots like this. I am a living testimony. Now, I know that this soap may not be some people's favorite because it can be quite irritating. But if your skin can tolerate kojic sand lightening soap, it is super powerful for dark spots and it works very fast. I was using it 3 times weekly at night. While using this product, I prioritize hydration. I tried as much as possible to protect my skin barrier. I used toners, I used hydrating serums, I used a good moisturizer just to make sure that my skin barrier was intact while treating my skin concerns. Now, it is important that while treating your hyperpigmentation, you need to incorporate sunscreen in your routine in order not to reverse the progress that your skin is making. Sunscreen is like one of the most important ingredients when you are treating your hyperpigmentation. So if you're using a soap like kojic sand lightening soap, it can increase your skin's sensitivity to the sun. So you need to protect your skin by using a broad spectrum sunscreen in the morning or during the day. Now, after about 4 to 6 weeks, I saw massive improvements in my skin. My acne was under control. The dark spots were almost gone. My skin texture improved. Like, my skin looked way much better than it used to. Now, the next step I took was to maintain my progress, to maintain the result that I've gotten, because acne is not something that you treat permanently. It's something that you need to maintain. If you treat your acne and then you fold your hands, you don't do things to maintain your results, your acne is going to come back. Now, to maintain my acne, I introduced tretinoin in my routine. Now, tretinoin is a form of retinoids. It helps to accelerate cell turnover. Tretinoin will help to ensure that your pores stay clear. They help to prevent new acne or recurring breakouts. See, if you've treated your acne successfully and you want to maintain your result and you're looking for just a simple routine, a simple ingredient that will help to prevent new breakouts, two ingredients that I highly recommend that you can be used long term and are beautiful to maintain your results. Number one, your retinoids, either tretinoin or adipalene, and number two, azelaic acid. They would also help to treat your hyperpigmentation. Now, after I saw improvement in my hyperpigmentation, my skin got clear, I wanted to maintain my result. That was when I introduced tretinoin in my routine. Now, I took out my Kojisan lightening soap. I stopped using it. My dark spots were completely gone. I think I was still using it, but not as often as I used to. Yes, I think I reduced it to once weekly just for maintenance. Or some weeks if I would go without using it. Now, when I started using tretinoin, because I was a beginner, I started with the minimum strength, which was 0.025%. So I used about 4 tubes or 5 tubes before I eventually switched to 0.5%. When I was using tretinoin, my skin was awesome. My skin was smooth, no breakouts, no dark spots or hyperpigmentation. Like, my skin was superb. Tretinoin is that girl. If your skin can handle it though. If your skin cannot handle tretinoin, or if your skin doesn't like tretinoin, you can use azelaic acid. Azelaic acid is another beautiful, underrated ingredient that will help to tackle your acne and also help to brighten your skin, fade your hyperpigmentation and your dark spots. It is also a beautiful ingredient. Now, it took me a while to get my skin looking this way. I was consistent. I was patient with my routine. It took me nearly 1 year. Yes, nearly one, I think about 9 months for me to see complete change in my skin life. So these were the steps I took to clear my acne and to get a clear skin. Follow these steps, adhere to all the instructions that I gave, and with time, with patience and consistency, you are going to see huge improvements in your skin. So if you found this video helpful, please do well to hit the subscribe button to be a member of this amazing family. Like this video, share to your family and friends, and until I see you on my next one, guys, have a beautiful week. Bye.